everyone, welcome back to the workshop. Artisan Pirate here, and in today's scroll saw project video we have a Christmas themed project. I've already got it attached to the wood with clear packing tape, but this project is all about believing in Santa Claus. Here is the design. I remember as a kid going to the shopping mall and waiting in line to sit on Santa's lap and tell him what I wanted most for Christmas, and then waking up and having the excitement of waking up on Christmas morning and running into the living room to see what he had brought me. And it was just a magical time for me growing up, and now I see the next generation being just excited to go and see Santa Claus and see what he brings them on Christmas morning. But again, I've already got the pattern attached to the wood with clear packing tape. So let's head over to the drill press, drill our pilot holes, and get started.
And over here at the drill press, we're going to begin by drilling all of our pilot holes for interior cutting. And there is quite a few to keep you busy on this project, especially with all the lettering down at the bottom of the project. We're going to get all of our pilot holes drilled and head over here to the scroll saw and start scrolling, beginning with some of our smaller internal cuts first, and letters like E and A. Get all those done before cutting out the rest of the letters. I am using number 5 reverse tooth, sharp tooth scroll saw blades, and I didn't break a blade on this whole project. I got the whole project done with the blade you see me using there. Just moving right along with all the internal cutting. If you would like to try this project, you can get it as a free pattern download over at Steve Good's scrollsawworkshop.blogspot.com website over in the free pattern catalog. Like I said, some very tiny interior cuts here with all the lettering at the bottom. Just taking my time with it. If you guys like what you're seeing, I would encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I get a few new subscribers every day, and I'm always happy with that, to see the channel growing. And I'd also encourage you to head over to Instagram and follow me at Artisan Pirate. I try to post over there at least twice daily, and I'm trying to use the Instagram story feature where you can post little stories about what you're doing throughout the day. I'm trying to use that feature more and more while I'm out in the workshop and out and about in my daily life. Now we're cutting out some of the bigger interior cuts around the letters, and if you're new to scrolling, it can be tedious, but just take your time. If you have a variable speed scroll saw like I have, you might want to slow it down just a little bit to get all the finer details. I'm comfortable with the scroll saw running at a kind of high speed. As you see here, I now have all the words for I Believe in Santa cut out, and now I'm working on Santa's actual sleigh and reindeer. Just taking my time with it. It took me no time at all, really. I think around an hour or maybe a little bit more than an hour to cut out this entire project start to finish. And now I'm beginning the final outside cut, which will release the project from the wood. And it's just one long continuous cut. There on the reindeer's antlers, I just took my time with that, going in and out with the detail of the antler. And now we're coming down here at the end to finish the project, and all the scroll work will be complete. And now we can move over to sanding. after we remove the piece from the wood and take the pattern off there. And I'm using 100 grit sandpaper and my palm sander here and just doing light circles. Try not to add too much pressure where anything could break. And I'll do more sanding off camera, as I always do. But after I'm done here with the sanding, the project will be complete.
And here we have the completed I Believe in Santa piece. I don't know if it comes up on camera, but you can probably tell I still got a lot of detail and finer detail sanding to do in between the letters, and I'll do that off camera. But for the scrolling part of this video and the initial sanding part, this video is done. I think it turned out good. It cut extremely well. I didn't break a blade the whole time I was scrolling. It took me around 45 minutes start to finish to scroll this project, and I really enjoyed making it. It brought back a lot of fond memories of seeing Santa around during the holiday times when I was a kid. But I think it's a great project and a great way to end the year on. This will probably be my final YouTube video upload for woodworking in 2019. I may or may not add some Wednesday videos. You know, I do my non-woodworking stuff on Wednesdays, or shout out videos on Wednesdays, so just stay tuned for those. But as for 2019, guys, this is a wrap for the Artisan Pirate. I hope you all have a happy and safe Christmas. Again, it's Merry Christmas. I hope you all have a happy and safe New Year's and bring 2020 in positive moods and in positive vibes. I hope you all spend time with your families this holiday seasons. I hope I've taught you something this year with all my woodworking videos. I know I have learned a lot this year, and I've got an amazing amount of content I've got planned to bring you guys on YouTube in 2020, and I hope to see you there. But that's about all for this video. Remember, guys, if I can make it or do it, so can you. I'm the Artisan Pirate. Merry Christmas. Take care, and I'll see you guys in 2020.